Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came in a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from a kind of fancy range from Acecook, Japan. This is their Mariuma or Maruuma Chuka Soba Wonton Min. So that's what's going down. You know, I have felt absolutely crummy lately after getting the Rona, and boy, I thought yesterday I felt a lot better, and today I don't. It's just like, dude, come on, I'm good. I've had enough of this crap. I don't want anymore. I want to feel much better. I got a baseball game I want to go to on Sunday. I'm like feeling like I'm gonna keel over and die. I don't know that that's such a great idea. Which really blows, let me tell you. 3 minutes. I spilled liquid all over the place. Did I get it on the phone? Yes, I did. That's unfortunate. I'm not trying to boil my telephone. But yeah, it's just like, it's crummy. It's hard to explain. I may have misspoken yesterday. You thought the paperwork said that I had COVID shock syndrome. No, I've got post-COVID syndrome. But I had it so recently, so I would say I'm barely like post. But I don't know. Just keeps hanging on. Not a fun deal. I'm not feeling the yay. Last night watched the what do you call it? The last day of the Democratic National Convention, and that was rad. Yeah. So cool. Hopefully, at this point, it's just sour grapes, and it's all done. Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you, folks, I'm feeling like garbage. The weather today is very murky. I mean, it is really, I don't know if you can really tell, but it is dark in here. It's August 23rd, and it looks like it should be about, it looks like October 10th weather outside. You never know, we could have another bout of summeriness and get into the 90s again. I sincerely hope we don't. I'm good on that. But yeah. I will say this, I'm feeling well enough to do my reviewing, at least I think I do. But I've been told to rest. So since this is Friday, once this is done, I'll go and I'm going to do 3 reviews. That's my plan. And then I'm going to go, I'll have to make the kids lunch, and I'll have to make my wife's lunch. She's got to go to the school and pick up a couple things for the new year on her break. So I got to make her lunch, got to make their lunch. But then I'm just going to sit and chill. So that'll be good. I'm good at chilling. At least lately, man. Usually it's more of a, like, I can't stop moving, but I feel like I'm being held down by the universe, so I'll let it have its way with me in that respect. So here is our noodle. You I found out yesterday? That's just rad. So my brother grew up in Connecticut, and he went to all these talks in the 70s. And you know who he met? He met freaking Carl Sagan. It's like, man. He's met Jimmy Carter, too. Pretty neat. I'm a big fan of Jimmy Carter. I guess I'll have a wonton. The hydration level of wonton is definitely an important thing. If I can find one in here that isn't demolished, that looks alright. It's alright. It's not a bad little cup. Their tonkatsu Mariuma is really good. It's not bad. There you go. Let's get rid of a little bit of the noodle here. I got some toppings. Yeah. I'm not a fan of feeling like crap. Not at all. Yeah, I am looking forward to the day that I can just say, you know what? Politics is over. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think, I mean, you know what happens after the election, so. But I'm going to have the prediction that there's definitely some sour grapes. I really don't think dude's going to win. It's possible. Very possible. Which is really weird to me. I don't know. I've heard so many people like say things about different candidates in the past, like, I just can't stand it. They're just constantly blah, blah, blah. It's like, this guy invented blah, blah, blah. I really wanted to use an egg on this one, but I don't know that I have room. But I think I might just make room. I don't want to waste a nice egg. I've got 3 eggs here. Oh, good. And they just marinated just enough. Not too much. It was the last of my soy sauce for... Ow! Son of a... Come on. It was the last of my soy sauce, so I kind of want to save this marinade for a little bit. I'm not a marinade hoarder, but you know, if I can use it and not waste it, that's a pretty good deal. Whew. Let's do our little bit of spring onion, right? that. We got that. A little slice of fish cake. I'm so stoked. When I had some scratch, I went and did up a bunch of things. One of them was need more chashu. Got narutamaki and diced up a bunch of that. I think I got like what, 3 things of narutamaki, so I'm only on the first one. My daughter really likes narutamaki too. It's pink, it's got a spiral. So there you go. Got a bowl of noodles. Could eat that. I would totally give it to you if you were here. Okay, so that one was cool. The next one we got is another one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to miauboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for discount. This is Myojo Chuka Zanmai with a hot and sour tomato thing. And I guess there's a lot of... It looks fancy. So that's going to be the next one on the big show. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. It's the least you could do, man. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
And everywhere, watching you. See that? Watching you. There they are. They're in the rain, watching you.